Dear students, today we are going to learn how to find nth term of an arithmetic progression if sum of n terms is given, and we will solve remaining question of exercise 3 of chapter 4 arithmetic progression. Suppose n terms of an arithmetic progression are a1, a2, a3, an minus 1, an, and sum of n terms is Sn, then Sn equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 and sum of n minus 1 terms as n minus 1 is equal to a1, a2, a3, an minus 1, sum of n minus 1 terms. Subtract equation 2 from 1. We get Sn minus 1 plus a1 minus a1 cancel, plus a2 minus a2 cancel, plus an minus 1 minus an minus 1 cancel is equal to an. That means nth term an is equal to Sn minus 1. This is the formula for n term when sum of n terms and n minus 1 terms are given. Putting n equal to 1, a1, n equal to 1 as 1 minus 1, 0, s0, sum of 0 terms is 0. That means a1 is equal to s1. Putting n equal to 2, a2, n equal to 2, s2, 2 minus 1, s1, a2 equal to s2 minus s1, a3, s3 minus s2. Question number 11. Sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is n square plus 4n. Find the 15th term of the progression. Solution 11. Given sum of first n terms Sn equal to n square plus 4n. Putting n equal to 1 and 2. We get S1 1 square plus 4 into 1, 1 plus 4 equal to 5, and S2 equal to 2 square 4 multiplied by 2, 4 plus 8, 12. Now a1 equal to s1 is equal to 5 and A2 equal to S2 minus S1 is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Common difference A2 minus A1. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A15, A first term, and first term is 5. A1 is the first term, 5. And 15 minus 1 into D, 2. 5 plus 14 multiplied by 2. 5 plus 28, 5 plus 28, 33. Another method. Solution 11, another method. Given sum of first n terms Sn equal to n square plus 4n. Formula: nth term equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Putting n equal to 15. 15th term is equal to S15 minus S15 minus 1. S15 minus S14. Now S15, putting n equal to 15. 15 square plus 4 into 15 minus S14, putting n equal to 14. 14 square and plus 4 into 14. 15 square 225 and 15 multiplied by 4, 60. 14 square 196 plus 14 into 4 is 56. 285 minus 252, and their difference is 33. 33 is the 15th term. Question number 12. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of number whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Given nth term an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Putting n is equal to 1 and 2. We get a1 3 plus 2 multiplied by 1. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. A2 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2. 3 plus 4, 7. common difference a2 minus a1, 7 minus 5, 2. Sum of n terms Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S 24. 24 upon 2, 2 multiplied by a means first term. A1 is the first term. 5 plus 24 minus 1 into d. D is 2. Common difference. Cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 12, 2 multiplied by 5, 10, 24 minus 1, 23 multiplied by 2. 12, 10 plus 23 multiplied by 2, 46. 12 multiply 56. 56 multiplied by 2, 112, carry 11, 56 multiplied by 1, 56, and 11, 67. Question number 13. Sum of P, Q, R terms of an arithmetic progression are A, B, C respectively. Then prove that A upon P bracket Q minus R plus B upon Q bracket R minus P plus C upon R bracket P minus Q is equal to 0. Solution 13. Let the first term is capital F because sum of P term is small a, and common difference is capital D. Given sum of P terms equal to A. P by 2, 2A plus P minus 1, D is equal to A. P transpose to right side, A upon P. 1 by 2 multiply in bracket. 2 to cancel A plus 1 upon 2 P minus 1 into D. Equation number 1. Sum of Q terms is equal to B. Q upon 2, 2A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to B. A plus 1 by 2 Q minus 1 D equal to B. B upon Q. Sum of R terms equal to C. R upon 2, 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. A plus 1 by 2 R minus 1 D is equal to C by R. Equation number 3. Left hand side, A upon P Q minus R plus B upon Q R minus P plus C upon R P minus Q. putting value of A upon P, B upon Q, C upon R from equation 1, 2 and 3. A plus 1 upon 2 P minus 1 capital D into Q minus R plus A plus 1 by 2 Q minus 1 into D R minus P plus A plus 1 by 2 R minus 1 into D P minus Q. A multiplied Q minus R plus 1 by 2 P minus 1 into D upon 2 P minus 1 Q minus R plus A into R minus P 1 by 2 into D is D by 2 Q minus 1 into R minus P plus A into P minus Q and 1 upon 2 into D by 2 R minus 1 into P minus Q. A common. A Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q plus D by 2 common out P minus 1 Q minus R plus Q minus 1 R minus P plus R minus 1 and P minus Q. A plus Q minus Q cancel, minus R plus R cancel, minus P plus P cancel. A multiplied by 0 D by 2 P into Q, P cube minus P R minus 1 into Q cube and minus 1 into minus R plus R. Q R P Q minus R and plus P. R into P, RP minus RQ minus P and plus Q. 0 plus D by 2. P cube plus P cube minus PR plus PR minus Q plus Q plus R minus R plus QR minus QR plus P minus P. Proved. Question. Sum of n terms of three arithmetic progression are S1, S2, S3 respectively if first term is 1 for every progression and common differences are 1, 2, 3 respectively, then prove that S1 plus S3 is equal to 2S2. यहाँ 3 arithmetic progression है जिसमें सभी का फर्स्ट टर्म 1, फर्स्ट अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का कॉमन डिफरेंस 1, सेकेंड का कॉमन डिफरेंस 2 और थर्ड का कॉमन डिफरेंस 3 और सभी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के n टर्म का सम S1, S2 और S3 है. हमें प्रूव करना है S1 प्लस S3 इक्वल टू 2S2. For first arithmetic progression, first term A 1, common difference D 1, sum of n terms Sn is equal to S1. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equal to n by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. Sn equal to n by 2, 2, 1 into n and 1 into minus 1 is 1. S1 equal to n upon 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Equation number 1. For second arithmetic progression, first term a 1 common difference 2 sum of n terms Sn equal to S2. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S2 equal to n by 2, 2 into 1, n minus 1, 2. S2 equal to n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. S2 equal to n upon 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel 2n. 2 to cancel, S2 equal to n into n, n square. Question number 2. For third arithmetic progression, first term a 1 common difference d 3. Sum of n terms S3. Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S2 equal to S3 equal to n upon 2, 2 multiplied by 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. S3 equal to n by 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 3n minus 3. N upon 2, 3n, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Equation number 3. Left hand side S1 plus S3. S1 n upon 2 n plus 1. S3 n upon 2 3n minus 1. n by 2 common, n plus 1 plus 3n minus 1. n by 2, n plus 3n, 4n square, n plus 3n, 4n, and 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2n square. n square is the value of S2, 2S2. Right hand side. Proved. Thanks for watching my video.